When you go to audition, first of all, you want to breathe. Take deep breaths because sometimes when we get nervous, we forget to breathe. And breathing is so important. It'll calm you down. It'll also make you feel like you have the space and that you're more present and you'll be able to look people in the eye. If you have a headshot, which is a picture of yourself, and it can be any picture if you're just starting out, just a nice picture that you think you look nice and professional in, you can bring that. If you have a resume, which is if you've ever been in a school play or you worked in drama club, or maybe you took a class or did a professional production, you want to type those out on a sheet of paper and bring it with you. And you can always look online, and there's lots of different examples about how to build a resume that are free. So you can figure out how to do that on your own. And then you want to bring those in and give them to the auditors, the people who are there to see you audition. Pick a piece that you love, a piece that you've practiced and that you know and that you're good at, but also that touches your heart, because that becomes apparent when you're in the room. Like, do you care about this piece? Do you have some connection to it? And then do the best you can and have a good time. Go in there and act so that you can love acting. And then when you leave, say thank you. Express gratitude to these people who have sat and been a small audience for you. And when you walk out the door, let it go. And if you get the job or the part or the role, you can celebrate and do a great job. And if you don't get it, it was an experience where you learned how to audition. And next time you go to audition, you'll be that much better. But I've really learned that it's very important when I audition to go in and do my best work. And that even if I don't get it, if I know I did my best, I can let it go and move on to the next thing.